Hello everyone, now I am showing to you garden. This is all put by the Mr. Yakub. He is a very good worker of the at home and he is doing well. So today he is great doing things like this whole garden put in the inside. He gives the water properly. You can this see the gardens. So I can show you. So hope you are enjoying. This is reality basis, not this content is like is the fake things. This you can see very beautiful greens and very nice and very harvesting. So now you can do these all things you at home. So I can show you this is very good things, but you can give good attentions like good help out by the books readings anything else. So I am showing to you this garden. This is good work by the Mr. Yakub. Was he is a nice person, and his regarding his best work we can appreciate him. So everybody can see these things, and I hope enjoying. So you can see I can show you this line. You can see very nice, fantastic. So very beautiful look. So I hope you are enjoying this video and you like this video and everything else. So many type of gardens in this whole world, in village areas, in rural areas, in urban areas. So everybody have their own wishes. So I can show you this video about this garden, and you like this video, and you can see a reality basis, and focus is clear, and all is real. No any fake, no any editing, no any just like vlogging type. So I hope you are enjoying. I can show you in another video how they are grow and their growth. So I can show you. You can these areas fantastic way. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.